Hi there, welcome to PcShed. My name is Sergio, and this is finally the start of the rebuild of the X99. So after waiting almost a week for parts, they finally arrived. Not all of them, but they're here. So the Alphacool fitting has arrived. We also have a EK bridge for the two Titans, but the links still hasn't arrived, so I can't fit that in. This was the original pump reservoir combo that wasn't on the actual PC, but a bit tiny, so we kind of upgraded a little bit. Now this is a 250 EK-X3, and the reason I got this is because it gives me a couple of options. Number one, I can actually mount it separately to the pump, or I can just put it directly to it. Here we are. We also have Alphacool. Their products are brilliant. Company I used to get them, because the stuff that I wanted was out of stock, was aquatuning. Now I just had problems after problems after problems since I placed my order. Firstly, they duplicated my order and charged me twice. Then products that was availability on stock on their website all of a sudden wasn't available, so that delayed the order. And then I ordered a Alphacool heating gun. Okay, so this is from Germany. So you would expect that, oh right, there's a product that's going to the UK that has 3 pin. No, they actually sent me with a 2 pin, which I had to modify and install a 3 pin. It's just little things like that that actually makes me reluctant to use them again. Alphacool products are brilliant. I've used them on the past, and I've ordered them UK companies like the likes of Overclockers UK and Scan, with no issues whatsoever. But there's a few things that actually I'll give them credit for. You know, the packaging was superb, nothing was damaged. They even included their own little jelly sweets as a little here you are. But overall, yeah, a little bit disappointed. Plus some of the packaging, I ordered some tubing. So there's Monsoon's 16mm tubing, and the actual box didn't come with a lid. It was stuffed with paper and tape. Now I ordered the 13mm. This is for another project, and that's how it should look. So I feel like, okay, so I think I've got a used product, but it's not used. But anyway, I'll just run through some of the things that we are going to be using. So we're going to be using also to control the fans, because there's going to be quite a lot of fans. I'll show you the case and the modifications I made in the case to fit 2 360mm radiators. So with so many fans, I want to control them so I can set specific profiles for silent operation when you're no overclocking, or full whack. And these are little, I'm not kidding you, I've used these before. These are phobia splitters. Okay, now there's 2 types. So you got a 4-pin power that splits into 6, or my favorite is this one here, which is nice and easy. Okay, so you simply plug that to your Molex, plug one of the links into the fan header, and the other one goes into a fan header on the motherboard, so you can keep track of all the fans. But that is a fibre, and that saves a lot of hassle in regards to cabling all those fans, because in essence you're going to have 3 at the front, 3 at the top, possibly a push-pull, so it could be a total of 12-13 fans. So that is a godsend. The terminal, again, EK blocks are fantastic. The 2 Titans got EK blocks on them, but I wanted to link them together. So I want them to link them using a bridge. Now this is plexi, so you'll be able to see the actual chemicals going through, the coolant. But the problem with this, I hate when companies do this. There's the Titan. Okay, now the Titan got a full cover block all the way through. Alright, and it's got a terminal FC link. Now you can't use that with that. You have to take this off and buy a separate link so you can connect it. Alright, because you cannot do that. I presume it's not even threaded, so you can't use fittings or anything like that. So just a word of warning, if you're getting one of these, make sure that you get the right links, because not all of them is compatible to the actual block that you have. Okay, so this is one of the main blocks, so I do need a specific link for it, which I will go to a trusty store, Overclockers, and they'll sort me out. There's also a selection of pumps. So the pumps that I talked about, it's an EK, but I also have a different version. It's got more power and gives you a bit of flexibility. So this is a Revo D5 with an X top. So this here is a superb pump that's just been mounted, and you can vary the actual flow. This will give you 1,500 litres per hour flow, which is brilliant and is great head pressure. The thing is, I'm not too keen of using that with that, because I kind of wanted to mount it together, and that just looks weird. Okay, but I haven't decided, but I've used one of these pumps before. They're brilliant, they're reliable, and they're quiet as well, and you can turn them down from 1 to 5, so depending if you're overclocking, if you're on high flow, it's a great way to get that done. But yeah, so now I will show you where I've been up to on a case. Right, where to begin? So what have we done here? Well, originally this had a 280mm rad, and I decided to put a 360 thick rad. Now to be able to do that and the combination I want, I had to remove the actual cage itself, which was riveted. So that's the state of play. So the plan for today is to get the radiator sorted at the front, and then a radiator at the top, and get some power supply in, maybe a bit of wiring. Now I'm going to rewire absolutely everything, that's why everything is taken out. So there you are. And then now I can finally remove the last two fittings and put the new hard tubing compression fittings, which look superb, by the way. Okay, so this is a bit of a mess. I am totally running out of space. So I've got my workbench, which I tend to use to strip parts and God knows what. So my touch bench has been put at the side to make some room, nothing connected. I've got several PCs to strip and build, and I think I'm going to need another shed. So I'm going to be looking for a possibility of getting a secondary storage area, because this is getting a bit messy. So I'll give you a bit of, that's my tool trolley. I tend to drag around everywhere. compressor to clean up cases and fans, servers, power supplies, and then I don't even want to look what's behind there. Yeah, not great. So I'm running out of space. Oh yeah, a little tip for you. Instead of buying a pre-made coolant for PC water cooling, get some concentrate, get some dye so you can make the colour that you want, and then to finish off you just get some distilled water. And the best place I get it is from Halfords or B&Q. Distilled water for cars is brilliant for it, so there you go. But yeah, bloody mess, but unfortunately I have no other choice. There we go. So a little bit of an update. Just done a trial fit. So at the front I fitted the EK 360mm radiators, and that is partnered up with 3 120mm AF fans. At the top, we can see, got a 360mm Alphacool radiator, and that is on a push-pull configuration with a AF fans, 100mm by Corsair, 3 at the bottom and 3 at the top, which I've just noticed I've done that wrong. But it's a trial fit anyway. Hi there guys, thanks very much for watching the video, it really means a lot to me. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave us a like or even subscribe to our channel for future videos. And if you didn't like it, please give us some feedback. We are a non-profit channel, so this is a hobby and we're trying to share information with people of like-minded people like yourselves. But we always appreciate any feedback, so until next time, take care. Thank you.